In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add week numbers in Power BI Desktop. Adding week numbers is a simple way to group your dates for weekly analysis, and it only takes a moment. Start by opening the table view of your data in Power BI Desktop. This is where you can see your columns and create calculated columns that will immediately populate across your rows. At the top ribbon, click on New Column to create a calculated column. A formula bar will appear. Before we write anything, give this new column a clear name so it's easy to find later. You can call it week, week number, or any label that makes sense in your model. Now, let's create the calculation using the weeknum function. In the formula bar, type weeknum, then open the parenthesis. Next, we need to tell Power BI which date to base the week number on. To do that, type an open square bracket and begin typing the name of your date column. Power BI will suggest the matching column, and you can select it. You should be referencing your existing date field here, not text. If the column isn't a true date type, convert it to a date first, so the function can work correctly. After the date column reference, type a comma. Now choose how you want the week to start. Entering it means the week starts on Sunday, and entering to means the week starts on Monday. Pick the option that matches your regional or reporting standard. Many businesses prefer Monday starts, while some calendars and dashboards use Sunday. Just keep in mind, this setting will affect every week number in the column. Close the parenthesis to finish the formula, and then click Save to commit the new column. Power BI will calculate the values, and your column will fill with week numbers. You'll see that the numbering begins based on the first date present in your data, and each row will now show the corresponding week number for its date. That's all it takes. You now have a clean week column you can use in visuals, slicers, and groupings. A quick tip as you build reports. Week numbers repeat every year, so if you're comparing across multiple years, consider pairing week with a year field in your visuals or labels to avoid confusion. Also, double-check that the week start choice you made aligns with your organization's convention so your totals and trend lines match expectations. And there you go. You've successfully added week numbers in Power BI Desktop, ready to drive weekly insights in your dashboards.